Okay, so we have a Surface Pro here, and it has done an update, and it's failing to boot after the update, and it's extremely hot. Let's put it out of its misery. Wow. That is very, very, very hot. So that's the Surface Pro, and the model is 1631. I'm going to turn it off. Hold both volume up and down. Power. I'm going to disable secure boot. Okay, I've just received the recovery key. I'm going to attempt to enter it as quickly as possible. Imagine having to enter that every time you reboot the computer. Okay, so what we do, we need to go manage, BDE, off, C drive. Now it's decrypting, good. That should give us details as to what's going on. Decryption in progress, good. We'll let that run. It may take some time depending on the amount of data. Alright, that took a really long time. Now as you can see, fully decrypted, and percentage encrypted is 0. We're in business. We're going to attempt to boot into Mac and attempt to do a repair. Turn off. Turn on. You won't believe it, but I'm actually working on an iPhone 4 repair. Someone actually wants this repaired. It's got some important data. We're now booting off the USB. Nice. So as you can see, we don't see the BitLocker logo anymore. Look at that. So now we can see the operating system we want to repair. So what it did is it found the Windows installation, recreated the BCD. Let's see if it boots. Okay, we need to remove the USB. Hey, this is looking beautiful. You know why? Because it's actually finishing the update which it was originally working on. It's like new hardware found, sort of, you know, it's going through that initial wizard. And we should see, oh, look at that! How beautiful is this? Now the updates are finishing. Seriously, Microsoft have to get their act together and fix this update issue. This is their own hardware, and they're having these issues. This is not acceptable. And you on YouTube probably watching this video going, I paid so much money for a hardware and this is the kind of software update I get. Beautiful. Okay, sweet. This program here, Macrium, I swear by it, it's one of the best. I really like their products and I do recommend you go and buy them. And they have no in any way promoted this video or anything like that. It's really helped a lot, many times. Thank you. Now I'll consider this to be finished, but I'll show you how you can fix the red screen. You need to enable secure boot mode. So you can do two ways. In the quickest way, hold the shift key and then restart while holding the shift. And you want to go into troubleshoot. This one here, UEFI firmware settings, and restart. And you'll get that black screen with menu options. This is the BIOS of Surface. And secure boot control, change that to enabled. Configure alternative system boot order, just choose SSD only. Done. Wonderful.